Christmas Martini.
Christmas Martini 2020 Challenge.
Christmas Martini 2020.
A Christmas Martini Challenge.
Christmas Martini 2020 and
Christmas Martini 2020 Challenge.
Christmas Martini 2020.
Hashtag Christmas Martini 2020.
Christmas Martinis 2020.
Christmas Martini Challenge 2020.
The Christmas Martini 2020 Challenge.
Christmas Martini 2020.
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 Christmas Martini 2020 Challenge.
Christmas Martini 2020 Challenge.
Well, you know, last year's challenge was such a success that myself, Vino and David are bringing it back. This is Christmas Martini 2021. You know, we got so many entries. I think there was over 25 entries on YouTube alone. There was a couple on Instagram, on Facebook. People just really liked getting creative and creating some awesome drinks for everyone to try. It was just fantastic. So you can click that playlist. If you click the hashtag from last year, click the playlist, you can go check all the recipes from last year. There was some really amazing creative cocktail recipes there. And if you're up to the challenge this year, if you're a YouTuber, if you're an Instagrammer, make a drink, and the rules are simple. Serve it in a martini glass, make it festive, and finally, use the hashtag Christmas Martini 2021. That way they all get grouped together. Cheers, everyone. Can't wait to see what you come up with.